Hello, everyone. My name is Megan Marks, and I'm here today to introduce you, my classmates, and my professor to myself, and I'll just give you the Cliff Notes version of who I am basically today. I can remember my first icebreaker when I was 18, and it was an activity in the dorms for us all to get together and kind of put a little story with the people that we passed by every day in the hallway. I can tell you right now that the story I will share with you today is completely different because I'm a completely different person now today than I was when I was 18. And I really don't have much experience with public speaking aside from that dreaded every once in a while icebreaker. I went to high school in 2000. I graduated and I went right away to Bloomsburg University of Pennsylvania. I kind of didn't know what I was getting into, so I got really homesick and I decided to leave Bloomsburg and move a little bit closer to home and try my luck at Westchester. I went to Westchester for a year. I studied medical technology while I was there, and I knew I wanted to do something in medicine, but I just really wasn't sure. And I wanted to stop wasting my money, my parents' money. So I decided to leave school for a little while and see what else the world had for me. I met my husband when I was 19, which was right after I left Westchester. I had kind of figured that I wanted to do something in the medical field, so I went into a beginner's career in medical billing. I was 20 years old and I really thought that I was a grown up, and I really felt like a grown up then, but I didn't know how wrong I was. I kind of had a lot of different jobs and I've tried my hand at a few things. But in December of 2004, my world changed forever because I became a mother for the first time. And then I am not cut out to be a stay at home mom. I stayed home with my child for about 7 months. Then I looked at my husband and I cried and I told him I have to get a job. So I started working second shift at a telephone answering service, 24 hours on call. So I worked second shift. I worked second shift there for 7 years, including during the time that I had my older son, and then a couple years later, my younger son came along. And working second shift was both wonderful and terrible because I was on a different schedule than all of my loved ones except for my kids. My older son started kindergarten, and then I realized I can't work second shift anymore. I'm not spending any time with my son, and something had to change. I decided I was going to go to nursing school. It was one of those careers I had kind of tossed around for myself back when I was 19 and didn't know what I wanted to do. And so I went to school. I became second in my class. I went out, passed NCLEX first time, yay! And then I spent months sending out resumes, hundreds of resumes. And it turns out that not very many employers like to give new nurses fresh out of school the chance that they need to start their career. My husband, meanwhile, had been talking to a friend that he hadn't seen for a while and who had moved to Texas, telling us all about Texas and that maybe we should come out and visit. So we did. We packed the family up, we went on a road trip. 40 hours later, we were in Texas, and we fell in love. We loved it there. I decided that maybe we should try and see if we can get some jobs out there, see if it's any easier than around this Pennsylvania, Delaware area. I put in 5 or so job applications. I got 2 calls, I got 2 interviews, and I got 2 job offers. So we were on our way to Texas. We lived there about 18 months. It was then that I lived in just a town above Houston called Spring. I worked in Houston, in downtown, at one of the largest jails in the country as a nurse, and I loved my job. I finally figured out this is what I need to be. I am a nurse. It was hard, though, to live all the way out in Houston with no family close by, just a few close friends, and so we moved back to Delaware. Upon moving back to Delaware, I became employed at a pediatrician's office, and that's where I still work today. I love my job, I love the people I work with, and I love the kids that I work with every day. I need to finish my bachelor's degree so I can proceed that career a little bit further. I'd like to get my master's degree and eventually become a nurse practitioner in either pediatrics or adolescent medicine. Maybe I'd also like to teach health in like a high school situation, just because it's very fascinating for me to help younger people understand more about their bodies. I really feel that there's not enough emphasis in this country on health. And Wilmington University is a very important part of this process. I am very excited to be here. I have tons of experiences with education previously, and I really just love the feel of Wilmington University as a place for an adult learner who already has a lot of experience to come. An online format means that my children are seeing me sacrifice my time and effort now as opposed to what they should do and what I'm encouraging them to do, which is do it when they're fresh out of high school while they're still young and full of vinegar. So thank you everyone for your time, and let's all have a great block together, and I can't wait to see all the rest of your introductions.